If you're struggling with content ideas for LinkedIn, which a lot of people I know are because I get asked this a lot, then I'm going to show you how to find those content ideas directly from your consumers. We're going to drop quickly onto a screen share and open up a Google search and type in something like how to grow on LinkedIn. So I'm going to do a couple of topics here. As you can see, there's a list come up there, and that list is what people are searching for. This is taken directly from Google's data. If we just enter that, so if we scroll down, we go past the AdWords. People also ask, this is important, because these are direct questions that people are putting into Google to create a response and a set of pages. People also ask how to grow quickly on LinkedIn. How can I get 500 plus connections faster on LinkedIn? How do I grow myself on LinkedIn? And how to get 1,000 followers on LinkedIn? You just drop any of these down and drop it back, and it opens up more. The more of these you drop down that are relevant to you, it opens up more. Look, what is the respectable number of LinkedIn connections? How to quickly build LinkedIn connections. These are ideas and hooks or headlines that you can create. And I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. This is the first way. This is the easy way. If you want to know the volume, I'll show you that next. These should create your stories. Let's do another one that's not related to LinkedIn. So let's imagine that you've got a SaaS solution of a CRM. The question should be, how do I, or what is the best CRM? Again, we do the same. What is the most popular CRM? Which CRM tool is the best, etc. Drop these up and down, the ones that are relevant to you. More and more appear. These are taken directly from Google's data of what people search. These give you great ideas to create content. Now, when you create content, I don't know how many of you are doing LinkedIn newsletters or LinkedIn articles, but both have the capacity and the facility to add SEO, title, meta title, and meta description in there, which helps you rank. Now, LinkedIn has got a huge page rank, like old school page rank, but it's got huge credibility with Google. So what you'll find is a lot of the things that you see appear at the top of the searches. So maybe there's one here. If we go back to our previous search, which was how do I go on LinkedIn or something similar. That's the sponsored. On the third organic result is Nadim, who has posted this, which will lead you to his LinkedIn article, which proves how valuable LinkedIn articles and newsletters are. Newsletters are just categorized in a different area. Okay, so the second thing I'm going to show you is Keyword Planner tool. So if you type in Google Keyword Planner into Google, it will come up with this page. You can create a free account and visit the Keyword Planner, which will show you what the volume of those searches are. You hear Keyword Planner, discover new keywords, and we type in a generic one, just LinkedIn, and then click get results. It shows LinkedIn Learning, LinkedIn Ads, LinkedIn. So if I change that search slightly, if I put how to, and then LinkedIn, which makes no sense on its own, how to use LinkedIn Recruiter, how to use LinkedIn, how to use LinkedIn for Business, how to post carousel on LinkedIn. So all these are content ideas. I know they're not all relevant to you with LinkedIn, but whatever your sector or product or service is, you can do the same thing. And here it's got the average monthly searches. You can search by top to bottom or the more obscure ones, hopefully to get you to the top of the search engines. But these are the average monthly searches. There is another way. I've got another video on how to get accurate forecasting, but that's not for this video. This is the best and easiest and cheapest way of doing it. I hope that helps. It should give you the content ideas because it's directly from your audience that have the questions. There are other ways, but these two, very quick and easy. Take care. I'll see you soon.